What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find and engage with all of the comments that you get on your Facebook page and the content that you post there. If you're like me and you have a lot of followers, which I do in my case, and if you're interested to learn how to do that, I'll leave a link below this video that shows how I got to this point. You're going to be posting a lot of content and you're going to have a lot of people comment on that content, which can go back days, weeks, months, and even well past a year in my particular case. And as you get new fresh comments, sometimes it's going to be very difficult, if not impossible, for you to find it if you try to do it the old-fashioned way, whereas let's say I'm on my desktop and somebody commented here, but then I got to go through this next video. Maybe somebody commented on a video weeks or months ago, and I'll see that notification, but then it'll disappear. I'm just going to get lost doing it this way, as well as on my phone, which I'll make another video on. But if you're trying to find one place where you can interact with all of the comments that you haven't responded to yet, there is a place in Facebook where you can do that, and I'm going to show you in this video how to do that on your desktop. What you're going to want to do is go to your main Facebook page, which is where I'm at right now in my case, and click on the top left side here where it says Professional Dashboard. Once you click on that, you're going to go down to where it says Engagement, and then you're going to see where it says you haven't responded. So these are filters which you can set to show. Now you're going to want to set it to you haven't responded, which by default it is set to. Now if I start scrolling down, these are actually comments that I've made, but if I keep scrolling down, it'll show me all of the comments for all of the posts that I haven't responded to from other people. I'm just not going to show their names here. I don't want to show that stuff. But the point being is this is where you're going to want to go to interact with comments, or rather respond to comments that you haven't answered yet. And that way you'll be able to stay up to date and you won't lose track of these people. They won't feel like they're left out and stuff. And so you'll be able to interact with them, get better engagement, better results, better monetary results, hopefully with that kind of stuff. And it's overall a great way to keep your Facebook page healthy on all fronts. So I hope that this helps you. I will make another video on how to do this on your mobile device because there is a similar place where you can do this, but this is how you do it on your desktop device. So with that said, like I said before, if you have any questions, let me know. But other than that, I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.